Tarte's Creative Custom Kit is back today, started at 7 a.m. Eastern. It is available until the 22nd. So it's the only custom kit sale of the year where you can pick 7 full-size products for $67. It has a minimum value of $217. Plus free shipping. You can also get up to 3 kits per order. So mark your calendars. The only custom kit sale of the year is almost here. From September 19th to the 22nd, you'll have the chance to take advantage of Tarte's biggest sale of the year. Pick 7 full-size products for only $67 plus free shipping, $217 value. Choose a makeup bag and fill it with your faves like Macrogia, Juicy Lip Balm, Face Tape Foundation, Tartelette Tubing Mascara, and more. To sweeten the deal, Shape Tape Concealer will be available for just $20. That's 35% off. One of the Tarte's products that I have in my everyday rotation right now is they have a color correcting for under the eyes, and they have kind of like a salmon colored one. Use that every day. It really helps with dark circles. I hope that you guys are having a beautiful day, and let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up, and I will see you soon. Bye.